Good evening, my YouTube family and friends. It's me, Larry from LJ's Unboxing, and this is yet another idea right here. It's another item. So, that said, it's right there, plain as day. It's a mini doorbell. So it's a doorbell camera, and it's probably going to be horrible, but I'll see. But it's a knockoff Ring. So it's showing two different ones, that one and that one. And of course, that's the button to ring to let people know you are out there. On this side, we have specs. Of course, it looks like the UPS guy was having fun with this box. But it probably looked like this to begin with. So, cloud storage service, night vision. I'm pretty sure you can throw a memory card in, be just as fine. Capture image when doorbell pressed. Okay. So, it takes your picture when you push the button to ring the doorbell. So, two-way audio, so you can have a conversation. Long battery life, so it is rechargeable, I'm assuming. It's a notification to smartphones, so whether you're home or not, I guess, it lets you know. And then Wi-Fi compatible, so you can connect it to your Wi-Fi network. And of course, HD image, so supposed to be high definition. I don't know. I don't know whether to trust that. But inside, we have some goodies. This is for mounting it to the door, I'm assuming. And this shows, I'm guessing, which doorbell I got, because you have a choice between one or the other, and whatever. So here is the part. That right there is to set it off, I guess. Yeah, that's wherever you plug it into. So this will plug into a smartphone charger, and that, I guess that's the way it's powered. Either that, or you can hook it up to, I'm guessing, a power bank. Guessing you hook it up to a power bank and then carry it wherever you are. So whoever rings your doorbell, you'll know. And here we go. Here's the doorbell. What else is in here? For charging, it is a USB Type-C. Already have that set up. And I guess this is to actually mount your bell, the doorbell, on the outside. But, you know, I think it makes more sense just to, I can get this stupid thing back into the box, just to use your standard phones and then just stick it by the adhesive. I'm assuming that's double-sided adhesive. So, there it is in its glory. So, I mean, not bad looking. It's a pretty decent looking camera. Doorbell camera. And I will see how it works just as soon as I get it nice and charged up. So this has been a quick little unboxing. We'll be back with my opinion on whether it's actually worth it or not. Till then, another LJ's unboxing. And as always, if you like this content, hit the like button. A subscribe would be highly appreciated. And of course, if you like specifically this and you don't want to miss any other videos from me, hit the bell icon and choose how often you want to receive notifications about my videos. It's not often because I can't afford it anymore, but every once in a while I get a special little thing like this. So until next time, peace, love, and chocolate chip. I'm thinking chocolate chip pancakes with hazelnut drizzle.